F hash is really pronounced F sharp. The hash symbol on a typewriter is the closest we can get to the sharp symbol in scored sheet music. So when you see G hash, C hash, D hash, you really need to say G sharp, C sharp, D sharp. This is F sharp. And F sharp is actually a very difficult bar chord, which we look at in our improvers program. But here we have a simplified version which is used in many songs and still sounds very good. Step 1, claw your hand firmly. Step 2, approach the guitar neck with the thumb coming in somewhere on top near the 2nd fret. Step 3, position your first finger tip on the 6th string 2nd fret corner. It will automatically mute the string underneath it, which is exactly what you want. And when you strum all 6, your audience will only hear 5 strings. That's an easy F sharp, which works in many songs. And we will look at the full bar chord F sharp in our improvers guitar program.